Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to share with you the swap that I received from Crafting with Lynn. She received mine over the weekend or on Friday. I'll put her link down below if you want to check out what I sent her. Again, her name is Crafting with Lynn, and I'll put all her information down in the description, and you can head over there and check her out. She's taken a little hiatus for about a year or more, and so she's now I think she's gonna try and start uploading some videos. So if you guys could go give her some support, that would be great. She is a Canadian friend of mine, so she's the first one I did a swap with, and the second one I did a swap with. So so I'm gonna share with you what I received from her. So let's start with the card. Oh, look at this. Oh, okay, I gotta focus. Focus, Joanne, focus. So it says, "Let it snow." Look how adorable that is. And you can feel that it has the little glittery bits on it. It's super cute. And it says, "The Christmas season's always such a special time of year. It brings that little sparkle and extra touch of cheer. So hope the merry finds you, and no matter what the weather, you'll find yourself repeating, this Christmas is the best one ever. Merry Christmas." I just love that. Thank you. So check this out. I got to take this out of here. This, oh, isn't that adorable? And it's a shaker. Wow. And I don't know if you can see it in there. Look at all the layering pieces. There's got to be at least 10 pieces of layered up on top of one another. It has the acetate on it. Beautiful pieces here. Love that, Lynn. That is super adorable and has the Merry Christmas on it. Love that. And I'm not sure if that's what this display easel is for, but it could be. That is so pretty, and I love the colors. Absolutely love that. Thank you, Lynn. All right, so then the next thing here is Santa Claus is Coming to Town, and this is a Memory Decks card. So let's take a look. So it says Best Wishes. Isn't that beautiful? The chipboard pieces, and it's layered with some trim there, which I believe is from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure what paper this is, but it's absolutely beautiful pastel colors. I love that. So she left that blank for me, which is great. So I don't have to make so many when I'm sending them out. Perfect. Thank you, Lynn. You did an amazing job on that. I absolutely love it. Thank you. And then we have these. Oh, those are bag toppers. And you can just fold it. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Oh, good guess, Joanne. I love that you sent a whole bunch of those. Thank you. And look at all the different colors. Awesome. Thank you, Lynn. Perfect. I love the scallop around it there. Perfect. Thank you so much. I'll put those back together after I'm done here. All right. So this piece was wrapped in. Oh my, look at that. I love Martha Stewart stuff. This is beautiful. It's a stamp and punch pack. Look at that. So it's a snowflake. So you can stamp it and you can punch it. Oh, I've never seen that before. Wow, I love that. Thank you, Lynn. That is quite different. I've never seen that with Martha Stewart stamps. Thank you. Love that. All right. Throw that on the floor with the rest of the garbage I have down there. Oh, listen. Oh, it's like Christmas morning. Don't know what's in there. Take a look. Oh, wow. Look at that. Lynn, that is beautiful. You did such an amazing job. I love this paper. Love it. Love it, love it. That is amazing. So beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at all the goodies in there. Look at that. I'll just go through it quickly because you can pretty much see everything. A lot of wooden beads. Love those. All different colors and sizes. And all these beautiful beads that are great to make charms with. And oh, they're so fun to work with. Love the colors. Just beautiful colors. And then we got some pom-poms in a variety of colors. And these beautiful paper flowers. And then you get some different kind of trim. Oh, that's so unique. I've never seen that before. Love that. Oh, that's going to be fun to craft with. And then you get some this trim. So pretty. And then more of this trim. I'll just go through it quickly, guys, so you don't have to sit here. Oh, I love the gold trim. Love that. It's almost like a lace gold. And then just some more pinks. Oh, look at that. Never seen these before. And then some more of the pink with the polka dots, with the big circles. Different trim all together. I haven't seen any of this trim. So pretty. I love that you kept the colors really like in the pastel color. And then these get the pink. Oh, wow. And then you get the green. Thank you so much, Lynn. This is perfect. And then a whole bunch of butterfly pieces, and they're the wooden pieces. So with my Dollarama markers I have, I could be making them all different colors. So that's perfect. Thanks, Lynn. I love that. Love this. Oh, perfect. Look at the little pom-poms around the edge. Beautiful. You did an amazing job, Lynn. Amazing. Lynn is such an amazing person. She's such a doll. All right, so let's see what's in here. Oh, look at the color. Oh, Lynn, that is beautiful. Look at you go. God, I could learn so much from you. Look at, oh, and it's full of goodies. Oh my. So we get some ornament fillers. Very pretty. Gold, silver, and some white iridescent. Some more. This must be Dollar Tree because I haven't seen this anywhere before. With all the holly bits and some more iridescent pieces. Oh, all kinds of washi tape. So this one is all different kinds of, as I said in my last cacti. This one says love. And then this one is a floral design. Oh my, lots of great goodies. And then that one. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Lynn. I'm going to say thank you through this whole video about 50 million times. And then there's some buttons. I just love working with buttons. I don't know what it is. I just love the buttons. And with the accessory, like the little embellishment pieces. So adorable. Look at those reindeer. Beautiful pieces. So pretty. I haven't seen any of these pieces. Oh, it's a camper, and I love camping. That's perfect. That is so adorable. Love that. Put that away quickly for you guys so I can move on to the next pieces so I don't keep you on here too long. Oh my God, Lynn. This is amazing, Lynn. I don't even know where to go here. There's so much here. It's an adorable little box. Love that. Oh my. She has been crafting. Look at all these pieces. Oh, this, Lynn, you have outdone yourself. Look at you go. Oh, this is so inspiring. I have to tell you, this is so inspiring. These are beautiful. Just going to try and get down here to the bottom, guys, because I know there's something else down there, so I want you to see. Look at those. Beautiful, Lynn. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that charm. The tassel. Saw these at the Dollarama. I never picked them up, but now I wish I had. Well, I can always go back, I guess. So pretty. Love the color combo too. Very, very pretty. Thanks, Lynn. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Love that. You did an amazing job. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you. Oh, look at the llamas. I just love llamas. I mentioned to you guys before, I've been to Peru, and the llamas, and you just fall in love with them. They're so super adorable. And now when I see them on crafts, I just love them. So then she sent this adorable little, I don't know if it's like a pencil case or not, but it says Merry Christmas. Love it. Super cute. Let's see what's inside here. She knows me so well. Favorite candy, and I ran out of them at work, so this is perfect. I'm going to take those to work. Thank you, Lynn. Love that. All right, so there's 2 more bundles here after this one. I love these envelopes, guys. She sent me a few packages of these envelopes. Oh, the red truck ornaments. Those are so cute. This must be like a store in Ontario or something, because I haven't seen anything like this in any of our stores. But I haven't been to Walmart or anything. Is this like a Dollar Tree? Or they are super adorable. I'm not decorating my Christmas tree this year, but I may add these pieces to it. So there you go. So I will be adding these ornaments to my Christmas tree. It's so pretty, like just the way the light is. And Samantha, who's by Sweet Tea and Grace, she is doing the same thing. She's not decorating hers, but hers is really full of lights. You have to check out her video too. I'll put her link below if you want to check out her Christmas tree. It's so beautiful. And it's not decorated, but it's still beautiful. All right, so then she sent this bag here. Love these bags. So pretty. Let's see what's in this goodie. So there are some of the mini trees. Perfect. I don't have any mini trees whatsoever. That's perfect. Thank you, Lynn. And then these metallic pens, or the markers. Those are awesome. Thank you, Lynn. Let's move that bag out of the way. Oh, heavy duty paper cut or crafter cutter. I don't have one of these, especially not in pink. So that's even better. Thank you. That has got some good weight on it. Oh, perfect. I only have the little things, and I'm always scared to use it that I'm going to cut myself. So that's perfect. Thanks, Lynn. And then the mini ones. I have a little mini one that you put your finger in, so that's perfect. And this would be great to take in the camper when I take my crafts with me. That's cute. Oh, I love the little tag ones, like the banner pieces. Don't have that at all. Love that. Thank you so much. Oh, she was listening. These craft clamps, I tell you, all I have, oh, sorry. Didn't mean to wiggle this around. All I have is this big ginormous one. Look at the difference. That's all I could find was these big ones. Thank you so much, Lynn. These are going to come in handy. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And then I have one more package here, guys, that looks to have a whole bunch of stuff in it. All right. Oh, that's heavy. God, I love these bags. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I had to take my cardboard piece out from underneath this because I spilt my tea everywhere. And let me tell you, I was not happy. So this is paper pack. Oh, so this is just a variety of pieces of paper. Oh, look at that. It's already like crumpled up and coffee dyed or stained. Oh, I love the variety in that. I picked up one from Michael's, but it's nothing like this. Oh, that's perfect. Thank you, Lynn. Love that. Crafter square. Now I have some jelly bean pieces in there for shakers. I don't have any of these pieces. That is super adorable. Love that. Thank you. And then here, I don't have these stamps either. Love the Christmas ones. I was on AliExpress today looking to see if there was any sales or anything yet for some Christmas stuff. And then we have some DIY project stack tags. Well, look at all those. I've never seen that before. DCWV. Now I've heard of that company. So there, some pieces are like chipboard, not chipboard, like cardstock. Oh, that's perfect. Already done up and in the color. Love that. And then you have stickers. No, they're not stickers. They're still, okay, they are still cardstock. And then you get foiled craft as well. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I've never seen this before, so love that. Thank you so much. It's perfect. And then some ephemera pieces from Echo Park. Farmhouse Kitchen. And then there's your pieces on that. I've never even seen these before. Wow, lots of firsts for me seeing all this. And look at that. Haven't seen these either. Super adorable. Great to add to a card, and love that. And there's one that says ho ho ho. And then you have the Noel, the cardinal, and then the 4 different ones. Very cute. Love that. Love those. And these are tickets. Oh, and then you can just stamp them. You can fussy cut them out if you wanted to. And oh, that's adorable. Ticket for 1 kiss, no expiration. Good for 1 hug anytime. Love that. That is so adorable. Love that. And then some gem art stickers here. Look at the variety of colors there. Love that. I haven't seen a variety of colors in that at all. Love those. Okay, guys, and this is the last piece. And are these banner? Like, oh, they're like little banner pieces. And there are a variety of different pieces. I can see there's hearts and see, guys, all this Crafter Square stuff is new for me. So that is awesome. Lynn, I want to thank you for reaching out and wanting to do this swap with me. I just adore you, and I love doing our swaps together. And you outdone yourself with this swap. Everything is amazing. I love everything. And your crafts, like these, I'm just in love with these. Guys, make sure you head over to Lynn's channel. Show her some love. I know she used to have a YouTube channel, and then she left for a little while. Now she's back, and she has, as you can tell, she's an amazing crafter. And she's an amazing friend. So head on over to her channel, check out what I sent her, and show her some love and support. And guys, I hope you enjoyed everything as much as I do, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks again, Lynn. Bye, guys.